Hey guys, this is Johnny and Jules with our RV, the Parsons
RV
Journey. And we are here at Skidaway Island State Park. And we just wanted to start a new series on our channel. We haven't really done this before, but Johnny, I think, wanted to do it for a while. So we're going to start touring every RV park and campground that we go into, especially state parks. Right?
That's right.
So this is the first one that we're starting with, and it's probably gonna be backwards for you guys. Skidaway Island State Park. And so we're just gonna basically take you in here into the park and let you see. So we're gonna take you in the park. It's a really pretty park. Lots of big pretty trees. There's a few pine trees in here that are huge that you don't see very often, and just some beautiful scenery. And so anyway, we're going to take you in here and let you. Okay, so now I'm going to take you on my bike, so hopefully it's not going to be too bumpy. We're going to do a little bit of ride through. Okay, so here's the park office. Just a little ways down from the entrance, and this is where you check in. And if you don't have a parking pass, just be aware that in addition to the campsite, you have to pay a $5 parking pass, one-time fee, while you're here. So I think they have bike rentals and have a little camper store and stuff like that in there, so it's pretty cool. There's our guys. Okay, so we came down here to the, I was about to say the church office. I look at churches so much. I mean the park office. And they have this display board and a lot of information on their trail map right there. And then they have a map of the state park itself, and then also this blown up version of the campground map. And you get this when you come in a smaller version of it. But if I'd have seen this ahead of time, it would have helped me out. So I'm going to let you see it ahead of time, because the ones that are in red are 30 amp, the ones that are in blue are 50 amp, and then the ones in yellow there are full hookups, which means they have sewer as well. So that would have really helped me out if I'd have known that. I'm not sure if they would have had any available, but that could have been a good thing. I think it's like $49 for full hookups, and we paid $42 a night for the 50 amp. So so yeah, and then they have about 3 cabins, cottages here on the in the park that you can reserve as well. So anyway, that would have helped me out if I'd have seen that ahead of time. So there you go. And we are actually on 23, so we're right there in the blue, 23, and it's 50 amp, no sewer. And then we are moving Thursday up the road here to 18. So
updating you on the bathrooms. Julie didn't go in the ladies, but I went in the men's, and one of the stalls was not clean. I didn't check the other 2, but there's 3 small stalls and 2 small showers, and the one of them was a little bit longer walk-in shower, but it was still small. But anyway, it would serve the purpose. It's pretty decent little comfort station here, and I'll even show you the washer and dryer. It's not the dryer making that noise. I think it's the washing machine, but it's working.
So we're back here at ours. We're on, like I said, site number 23 right now. We'll change sites Thursday. So our site is a 50 amp, no sewer hookup. We bought firewood. We bought firewood because it's a little bit chilly here. We went from being like almost 90 degrees to now like upper 60s. So it gets cool enough in the evenings. It's like 40 something in the evening, so it's cool enough for a little fire.
Yep.
And so yeah, so I think so far we really like this park. It's pretty if nothing else. We haven't explored the trails or anything like that, and I don't think it's close to water. I don't see, I mean, there could be some water, but I haven't found it. But it is close to Savannah, and so if you have your tow car, you can easily get to Savannah. And we're going to attempt to get there by Uber and the bus come tomorrow. We were going to go today, but I found out the bus doesn't run except really early in the morning, and we were too late this morning. So in the morning we're actually going to Uber in because we got to go to the UPS office or the UPS pickup site and pick up a package, and that's another story for another day. And then we're going to show and tour a little bit around downtown Savannah for you tomorrow, and probably do a coffee talk too as well. So anyway.
Okay, so we're having to move spots. We're still in this state park, and we're having to move spots because they're filling up, and they couldn't give us this spot for another night, so we're going to move on up the street to 18, and the road's so rough up there. As you come in, there's humps in the road from where the trees have grown up. So I'm going to turn around right here and back up into the other spot, which is right up there. If you're still breathing,
There's still hope.